Okay, and now I would like to bring...
Sobra sa kalipay, sobra kadihatag ni Lord. Salamat kayo nga wala ko mag-experience nga inani ang mahitabo. Sobra sa langit akong kalipay. This is a fantastic time for the hard work that you prepared and your effort to all the learners from David to grade 12 and to all the teachers. I miss you so much and thank you very much. I wish and pray that all the joys of this day be with us always and have a good Monday. Thank you so much all. We miss you so much. I miss you so much to all the activities in our school. Thank you. Continue doing your good work. And to all the learners, humandot mo o eskwela. Encourage ang tanan na walay mabilin, walay dili makauman o eskwela. And to all the teachers, kinahanglan ma-promoted ang tanan. Walay teacher 1 nga purtay. Sayon ra ang promotion karon. Reclassification and ranking. Duha inyong applyan, magpa-recla o magpa-rank. Dili gyud mo retire na teacher 1 position. At least 81. Katong 82, paingon sa 85. Okay? Salamat tayo ninyong tanan.